So look what came in the mail today. Beautiful, beautiful. One funnel away challenge. Let's check it out. We are unboxing the One Funnel Away Challenge box. By the way, for those of you who don't know me, my name is Andrew Robert. I am a 29-year-old online marketer obsessed with passive income. So this whole channel, Real Passive Income, is dedicated to all the things I wish I knew when I was brand new starting my journey online. Our plan is to grow a business from $0 to $10,000 a month. We are going to be showing you how we do that and take you guys along for the ride. If that's something that interests you guys, make sure to hit the subscribe button, join the RPI family. We're all about real passive income. Turn on the notification bell and stick with us. And by the way, we are going to give you a special bonus. So anybody interested, make sure you stay to the end of the video where we reveal what that is and how you can take your very own One Funnel Away Challenge today. This box comes when you actually sign up for the One Funnel Away Challenge. Part of that anticipation so great is you're getting a physical item shipped in the mail to you. Pull out my trusty knife. I am going to slice this open for the very first time. Now, the whole point of this video is to actually review what's inside this One Funnel Away Challenge box. Before we do that, we're going to give you guys a quick glimpse into the actual digital course behind the scenes and show you guys the challenge right now. All right, so we jumped to the computer here. We just want to show you guys the actual member area of the One Funnel Away Challenge. As I said, I'm currently in the challenge right now. What you're going to notice is, aside from getting the mission training right here, which is just kind of laying out the daily challenges that you're going to have to go through for the next 30 days, we're only on week 3 right now. This is also going to give you, these are kind of the interviews that I showed you in that 30day.com book. So why this is so powerful is even if you're a complete beginner, you have tons of information here to learn and actually walk you through how to build a proper funnel, how to build a profitable business from the start, the correct way. Now, even if you're somebody who's more advanced, the reason I bought this is all these people in here, I've personally heard of all of their stories before, but all of these people are people that have hit over $1 million with a single sales funnel. They break down their exact strategy and how they do it. So for me specifically, there was 2 people that I focused on. The first was Spencer Meckham, okay? So the reason I paid $100 for this challenge is I wanted this interview. This is a single interview with ClickFunnels' #1 top affiliate, okay, who literally has broken over $1 million in ClickFunnels commissions. That's right. He's made over $1 million in ClickFunnels commissions. He started less than 2 years ago. His current story is right here, and he gives you a blueprint of how he would do it day by day, and then he also shows you the back end, like how to build the funnels out, everything like that. To me, that is alone worth $100. That's the reason that I wanted to do this. Other than going through and launching my next funnel, that right there is it. There's also one other person I really like, Peng Jun. Peng Jun is somebody else. I've taken his content multiplier formula, which is just amazing, and it just tells you how to essentially get new people, kind of into your business and how to really engage with customers. So for me, reading these people's stories, listening to them, hearing them describe their own process and telling us what they did, this is the reason that I purchased the One Funnel Away Challenge. So whether you're a beginner, complete noob, or you're an expert and you're just looking to up your game and get more information, there is something you can learn here from 30 millionaires breaking down their exact script, okay? Keep in mind, guys, I just want to give you a quick overview of the inside. So when you click on one of these, you're going to have 3 videos. The first is Russell actually walking through the topic of the day and what you're doing. Today's topic's offer hacking. The next is Julie, who's just going over more of the strategic stuff. And then there's Steve, who's actually, like they call him, the drill sergeant. He's the one who's going to get behind you and make you do what you got to do. So this 30-day challenge is amazing. You guys should definitely sign up for this if you're looking to up your business game. And we're going to jump back out. I'm actually going to go through the box with you and show you what you get included with that and what I'm going to do for you as a special bonus. All right, so the first piece of this box, you have a nice little card in here, okay? This card is just telling you how would you like to earn $100 every time somebody joins the One Funnel Away Challenge through your link. That's right. So Russell Brunson, who's the owner, creator, founder of ClickFunnels, he actually made it so this program is a $100 commission for everybody that signs up. What that means is when I bought this box, I paid $100. It actually charged that full $100 and gave it to one of his affiliates. So anybody who's interested in getting started in online marketing, not only is this a great challenge that's going to help you build your next funnel, it's going to help you start your business, it's going to help you understand so many aspects of running an online business, it's also a great income opportunity to share the knowledge you learned with others and to be able to make affiliate commission back on what you already learned. If you just get one person to join the One Funnel Away Challenge, you get $100. It pays 100% commission. You get all the money back that you spent, okay? Signing up for this challenge is a no-brainer. We actually offer, as one of the things through our link, is if you buy through this challenge, we give you a free mini training that's going to show you how to make $1,000 before the challenge starts. The first thing that you do get when you open up this box is lots of red stuff everywhere, okay? We want to put it all over the desk, make you guys happy. So, red stuff everywhere. Christmas presents, that's the second thing you get, Christmas presents. Third thing is a pretty box. Fourth thing is a book. And the final thing is another book. Now, the real secret is what's inside the box, below all of that. The real secret is this piece of styrofoam. If you want to start a business online, this piece of styrofoam is everything that you need to get started today. Let's get the box out of here. No longer need the box. The first thing that you see here is the 2 Comma Club coaching. The whole point of this exercise is to be able to take somebody from their very first funnel or their next funnel they're helping you build all the way to the 2 Comma Club. This is a whole pamphlet that kind of explains what that is and how you can get there. They're trying to actually take you to their top level. The next thing that you get is your Christmas present, the Holy Grail, okay? 30days.com, this book is basically your Bible, okay? You treat this book like your Bible, you live by it. I think it's like 540 pages, something crazy like that. 540 pages. This isn't even the challenge. The One Funnel Away Challenge is a 30-day challenge. It all started based on this book. You suddenly lose everything. You have 30 days to gain it all back. What would you do? The owner of ClickFunnels asked 30 of his $1 million 2 Comma Club Award winners that already are doing $1 million a year in business. He asked 30 of them what would they do, and they put the full game plan, day 1 to day 30, in this book. This book right here is worth more than what you pay for the challenge, okay, the $100. Next up, we have the One Funnel Away workbook. A lot of people, they want to actually have a physical workbook that they can carry around and they can write in every day. Now, this is amazing because as you'll see in here, you actually have full drawings. Russell Brunson loves his little drawings. This is super powerful because not everybody wants to do it all digitally. You have a physical workbook. Next up, you get a One Funnel Away Challenge box that actually contains a beautiful MP3 player. Now, your MP3 player comes loaded with everything that you need so you can actually listen to the One Funnel Away Challenge, listen to Russell's coaching every day while you're driving in your car, while you're riding on the subway to work. It doesn't matter what it is, okay? You have a full MP3 version, and it even has a nice One Funnel Away Challenge on the back. All these things that were printed out, made, designed, and this gets shipped to your house. A $100 bill with Russell on it telling you, for every single person you promote, get your special link. For everyone who you send and they buy the One Funnel Away through you, you get $100, okay? So beautiful, we love that. We love Russell, he made an amazing product. Everything that customer buys after that, you're also getting a commission on, so it's just beautiful. For anybody who's interested in joining the One Funnel Away Challenge, this challenge changed my life. The only way I will launch a new funnel now is signing up for the One Funnel Away, going through the process, listening to what they're saying, and making sure I'm on track to doing it the correct way. This is taught by 3 people that are multimillionaires that have all launched funnels doing the same process, the same strategy, and they teach you so when you're brand new, you don't have to worry about what do I do next, what do I think. They put you on a path to help you focus the direct plan that you need. From this, you guys are gonna get a physical box in the mail with all of these goodies. You're also gonna get the full digital suite. And as a bonus, as I said earlier, for everyone who signs up through my link, I have a link down below this video. It is my affiliate link. When you click on my link below, I am gonna give you my complete done-for-you affiliate in a box system, which is gonna give you a complete finished affiliate business. You know, I set up within less than 3-4 days and it's already producing me monthly income. So this affiliate business in a box is something you guys can use right away. I'm gonna give you the full done for version and I'm gonna give you the emails to go with it. If you are somebody that's already purchased the done for you system from me and you've already purchased the emails, I am gonna get on a coaching call with you exclusively and see where you're at in your business and what we can do to help, okay? That is private one-on-one coaching with me if you've already purchased my done for you system. The final thing thing is anybody who does buy through our link, we are gonna be hosting a free training in the Facebook group, which is showing you how to get friends, how to get family, how to get anybody interested in launching a business, people online, doesn't matter who it is, how to actually make your $100 back, which you should do immediately, and then how to make $1,000 in the next 1 to 3 weeks using the processes we use without having to talk to any friends, without having to talk to people in person, doing it all through online organic methods without paid traffic. If that interests you guys, I would highly recommend you buy through the link below. Thank you guys so much. I'm Andrew Robert. Don't forget to click down below and hit the subscribe button. I will throw this book at you if you don't subscribe. It's heavy, okay? Hit the little bell icon. We're all about real passive income here. That's all we want to focus on, guys, is how to get your passive income up, how to take you to the next level, how to go and live your life with a sense of freedom and purpose. Thanks so much. My name is Andrew Robert. I'll see you guys in the next one.